Good morning and welcome to the Bowling University studio here at the International Bowling Campus in Arlington, Texas. I'm Bart Berger and I'll be your host for this edition of the Bowling University Tuesday Morning Profit Break. Thank you all for joining us. The Tuesday Morning Profit Break is an opportunity for sharing insights on how to grow revenue, reduce costs, enrich yourself, your team, and your business. Welcome to all of our new viewers and welcome back to all of you joining us again. Thank you all for taking a few minutes out of your busy day. So grab your coffee or your favorite morning beverage and let's get started improving your profitability. Now today we're going to be visiting from one of the finalists of Shark Tank Bowling Style. Now we invited all of you to share with us your best practice, your best league ideas from around the country for a chance to win $5,000. And then fellow proprietors from our League Development Committee selected our 6 finalists who presented their league concept to the Sharks at our recent Bowl Expo in Louisville, Kentucky. It was so well received, we invited our 6 finalists back to join us and share their league concept with all of you. So this morning, folks, we're joined by Don Klackner. Let's take a look at his introduction from Shark Tank Bowling Style.
Located in a suburb of St. Louis, Missouri, Olivette Lanes was built in 1958 by Nelson Burton Sr. The center is a retro-themed 24-lane traditional center with an extraordinarily strong league base. Don and Sandy Klackner purchased the center in 2011, and this year are celebrating 10 years of ownership. In those 10 years, they have grown revenues by over 50%, and over half of the staff has been with them for the full 10 years. Don developed an interest in bowling at age 10 and dreamed of one day owning a bowling center when he grew up. His dream became a reality 40 years later. Presenting on behalf of Olivette Lanes is Don Klackner.
Good morning, Don, and thank you so much for joining us this morning. First, congratulations on being selected a finalist at the Shark Tank Bowling Style.
Thanks, Bart. Glad to be here.
Yeah, so hey, first, before we get started into the league idea, which I love your league idea, it's an awesome one for our viewers today, just tell us a little bit, how was the experience presenting at Bowl Expo in front of the Sharks and the audience?
That was a fun experience. A little nervous waiting to go out on the stage. A lot of people out there, but I enjoyed it. It was a good time.
Yeah, you did great. And by the way, you've got the best backdrop today, so you get an extra prize for that there. But we got a great league idea that I want to share with you. So before we get into the specifics of the program and the league itself, I'm always curious to know, where did the idea come from? Where'd you get it?
Well, I'll tell you what, the Have a Ball Bowling Club is not new to the industry, been around a long time, and we had a summer Have a Ball bowling program on Monday nights. It was about 12 to 14 teams, and we were just looking to enhance and grow it. I happened to be at a chamber event, and I ran into a gal who owned a DJ company. She had wanted to do trivia in our bar, and I thought, I don't know that that's the right fit. Our bar is a little small. We're not a destination bar, but I thought this might be a great idea during our league out on Monday nights. And she says, well, I've never done that, but let's give it a whirl. So that summer, it's been about 5-6 years ago, we started that team trivia out on the concourse during the league, and it stuck, and we've kept it going ever since.
Man, I love that. I love the creativity. I love, taking the idea, the trivia, mixing it in there. So my lovely bride and I, we're coming into your center. We're potential prospects for this league. We're thinking about bowling. If you're working the counter what's the 60-second elevator pitch on what is this program from the potential league bowler's perspective?
Well, folks, we've got this Monday, we call it our Happy Hour Have a Ball bowling program, and it's a great casual program for all skill levels. A lot of new bowlers, beginner bowlers may get into this, and it's a great value. There's a lot of elements to it. Not only do you have the league bowling feature, but the highlight of it is the team trivia that we run. We have a DJ, and as the teams participate, it's free. There's great prizes, and most of the teams will participate, and it really adds to the evening and makes it more social. We even have some cash prizes built in. Summer bowlers get to bowl free all summer, so really a great value at a good price.
Yeah, excellent. Hey, I'm in. My wife and I are signing up there. So just to be clear, you've taken this kind of traditional have-a-ball program, so we still get the ball, everyone gets the ball based on skill level, or just everybody gets the ball regardless of your bowling ability?
Yes, everybody will get a bowling ball. The Target Zone bowling ball is our go-to, our base ball. If they want to upgrade, they can take the credit towards that to upgrade. Some will even get some shoes or a bag or other equipment. And the other option is $40 gift card. Probably 30% of our bowlers do opt for the gift card, which they could use in our bar and grill, or maybe buy some pro shop down the road, or open bowling, or anything at our location.
Yeah, Don, I love that idea because it probably opens the opportunity for those that maybe already have a bowling ball and don't need a Target Zone or something like it. If I can use that and spin it in your center and help with the revenue, that's great for the operator and great for me as the guest as well.
Absolutely, yeah. It brings back that $40 comes back into our bowling center. Some bowlers will even combine theirs. Let's say you and your wife took the $80 together and got one ball and as an upgrade. Also, it's another avenue people will take.
Yeah, that's brilliant. No wonder you're a finalist. That's great, great marketing. Okay, so let's unpack this from the operator's perspective. I mean, you've told us about all the great elements as a customer or a guest or league bowler coming in. As an operator, kind of walk us through the elements of the program and kind of the details, if you will.
Okay. Well, it is a summer program. We use it as a summer program. Monday nights, there's 4 to a team. $15 per person per week, and this year we went to 13 weeks, teams of 4, and it can be any combination, men, women, or whatever. We try and keep it as simple as possible to form a team. Every bowler gets the Target Zone bowling ball, or if they want to choose a $40 gift card for the bar and grill. Then the big element is the team trivia. We hire a DJ. $75 each week. We pay the DJ, and we try to keep the same DJ every week. And that DJ will do 5 rounds of trivia, 10 questions on each round. And then the prizes, the winning team will win like a $10 gift card to the bar for a bar tab, bar grill bar tab, or a free pizza. We've done a free hour of bowling, and we've also had some outside gift cards from bars or restaurants that we've used also. The trivia is free to the bowlers. Most of the teams do participate. The questions are usually medium difficulty. So a lot of times teams will get 8, 9, 10 answers right, and oftentimes there's a tie for multiple teams for the round, and then they have a little question to see who's the top winner. In addition, we also give our Summer League bowlers 3 free games of practice bowling every day all summer. This year, they were used, I think, more than ever. And we know that coming into practice, they're going to spend more money in the bar and grill when they come in because their bowling is free. Also, if they use that $40 gift card, that's additional bar and grill revenue for us too. We also have some cash prizes built into the program. We have a sweepstakes at the end of the league. It's not a lot of money, but they can win individual money. Because we have 24 teams, we have 4 in a little roll-offs. There's some extra cash there, and then every team will have a little cash money based on the points or how they place throughout the league. So a lot packed into one program, and I think that's what makes it attractive to a lot of people.
Yeah, thank you, Don. And I had the opportunity to see you put a little bit of video in your presentation of the DJ and asking the questions. And, in some cases, people are as excited eager of approaching the DJ with the right answer as they were about the bowling. I mean, there was equal excitement about, getting somebody that knew the trivia as it was, just getting the next strike.
Yeah, absolutely. They really enjoy it. And our DJ was out for 2 weeks this year with some surgery, and the bowlers were wanting him back. They like DJ Tony.
Yeah, good. Well, excellent job, DJ Tony. I'm sure you're watching. So, look, let's talk about the results, because I thought I heard you say 24 teams. So, as an operator, what's my potential here? And talk a little bit about the financial results of this program.
Sure. We have 24 lanes, and probably the last 5 years we have filled all 24 teams, give or take a couple bowlers here and there. In summer, we do take $10 in lineage. So at 96 bowlers, that's $960. Our bar and grill sales will average about $1,200 each week. So on a weekly basis, that's $2,160 a week. And if you take that out for this year, it was 13 weeks. Normally we've been running 12, so 26,000. In this case, this year it was $28,000 for the summer for this league. I think there's some other benefits too, in that a lot of these people are new bowlers. So I find that they are developed to join fall leagues. In this case, this summer we had a couple. We overbooked, I guess you would say, or people waiting to get into the Monday league, and we were able to place them in another league later in the week on Thursday and our Wednesday league. So it doesn't take a lot of marketing effort now that this program has been going on for 5 years, and I think because it is such a great value for the bowlers.
Yeah, Don, you said some incredible things there, and I want to just emphasize a couple of them quickly there, is that this was a great developmental program and a feeder to potential bowlers for your fall, more traditional leagues, is that bowler life cycle and working them through. And then this must be a typo in here. It says you had bowlers on a waiting list for a summer league. Is that you actually had bowlers on a wait? That's amazing.
No typo. There's demand for this program. So we had 2-3 teams. Fortunately, we were able to place them in another league.
That is awesome. Imagine that, folks. And just so you know, as you heard in the intro, Don's center is in a suburb of St. Louis. So certainly Don is affected by seasonality in the summer, and summers are often a struggle for those of you that are north of the Mason-Dixon line and have the seasonality. So he's not in South Florida, where summer leagues are prevalent and high volume. So the fact that in the St. Louis market, he's got bowlers on a waiting list for summer is amazing, Don. That's absolutely amazing. So hey, I'm going to sneak in one more question here. Great program. So just if you were sharing with the audience today, is there anything that you've learned over the 5 years, any tips to success or anything you learned from this program that you might share with the group? Say, hey, if you don't want to miss this one step.
I would say, especially initially when we started it, we used all our marketing tools. We didn't just rely on one flyer in the center. We had the in-center selling with the flyer, but then we did email marketing, emailed out to our database, used all our social media channels that we had to promote it. We even went out, did some guerrilla marketing, door-to-door to bars, restaurants, and retail establishments. I offered them a $25 bar and grill gift card for bringing a team in. So that created a lot of interest out there. The other thing I guess I would say is have a good DJ. That's very important. That develops a relationship with the bowlers. You could hire an employee just so that person is dedicated to the job, and keep the same DJ each week. The bowlers love seeing that same person every week to week.
Yeah, Don, great ads, great nuggets in there. So thank you so much for joining us today, and I know you're going to have a great, successful league season this fall.
Great. Thanks, Bart.
Awesome. Well, hey, everybody, great league idea. I hope you're planning your program right now. We have an opportunity for you to not only learn more about today's great league idea, but also get a copy of 98 different league ideas. Just visit bowlinguniversity.net and look for the Shark Tank icon. You can download 98 unique league ideas. So as we wrap up another edition of the Tuesday Morning Profit Break, remember that when your focus is on growing people, people will grow your business. We look forward to seeing all of you back next week at 10:15 Eastern for another great episode of the Tuesday Morning Profit Break. If you have any questions about today's show or would like additional information, you can reach us anytime at education@bpaa.com. Also, you and your team can watch any of our previous episodes 24/7. Just visit bowlinguniversity.net. Until then, I'm Bart Berger, and remember, do for one what you wish you could do for everyone. We'll see you all next week.